What's the meaning of banqueting? Banqueting. Banqueting.
Banqueting. Banqueting. Banqueting refers to the practice of holding a formal feast or dinner party, usually in celebration of a special occasion or event. The word is derived from the French word banquet, which means a large meal or feast. Banqueting often involves multiple courses and elaborate table settings, with an emphasis on luxury and indulgence. Historically, banqueting was a popular pastime among wealthy aristocrats and royalty, who would host lavish banquets for their guests to display their wealth and social status. Today, banqueting remains a popular way to celebrate weddings, birthdays, and other special occasions, and can be found in many cultures around the world.